Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the Kishu inu. What's going on in the Kishu inu, my friends? A lot of people, a lot of my friends, a lot of my viewers, my subscriber personally message me on Instagram and Telegram that why the price of Kishu inu is completely going wrong. Completely, you can see, my friends, that every change occur in the Kishu inu is negative, my friends. So what's the reason behind it? People ask me this type of question. So my friends, everything will be okay. You have to just wait, you have to just patience, my friends. 0.000001 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Kishu inu, my friends. The last 1 hour and last 1 day and 1 week changes occur in the Kishu inu is negative, my friends. The whole changes occur in the Kishu inu is negative. With the passage of time, the price will pump. My friends, now the wait time is over. My friends, you know what, I also told you in my many videos that please hold to the last of this month. And now it is the last of month, and I hope that tomorrow or the next day, the Kishu inu will start pump. My technical analysis, my personal research about Kishu inu tell us that they have to take a pump, but you have to just wait, you have to just patient, my friends. Everything will be okay. Anyways, what you think, what is your opinion, your prediction about Kishu inu? Please also share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.